Good morning, Standard 2. Children, today we are going to start our 7th chapter, Files and Folders. Files and Folder, given at page number 76. Okay. So, in this chapter, we are going to talk about how to store computer work. How to store a computer work. So, computer work means here many times we do drawing on computer, writing an essay on computer, a letter on computer, isn't it? We do many things, है ना? Like songs, if I want to save in computer, okay? So that only we are going to discuss about. Okay, so storing work in computer is called saving. It's called saving, and computer always saves work in its storage devices. So storage devices I taught you in your previous chapters. Storage devices are like pen drive, memory card, CD, DVD, and hard disk. So in previous chapter I discussed about the storage devices. Now, in this chapter, Files and Folders, we are going to talk about the hard disk. Hard disk. Okay, computer saves all the work in hard disk. Okay, in hard disk, whichever work, like if I have drawn a picture and I am going to store it in computer, so I told you that hard disk, it is an internal storage device. So computer saves all the work in its hard disk. Okay, we need not to give any instruction to save this work in hard disk. Okay, computer do it by its own automatically. Okay, for pen drive, for CD, we have to give instruction that save this drawing in CD, save this drawing in pen drive. We have to give instruction for that. But to store a file in hard disk, we need not to give. Okay, automatically computer do it, isn't it? So these are the things, okay, we are going to discuss today. So how computer saves work? First of all, remember this, that computer saves its work in the form of files and folders. Okay, if I have drawn a picture and that picture I want to save. Okay, suppose this paint program, see, paint program. Okay, so here I'm going to draw some stars. Okay, and now these stars I want to save. I want to store in computer. Okay, for later use. For later use, after 2 months or 3 months, if I require this stars drawing. Okay, so stars drawing. Okay, so I can use this one. Okay, for later use. Okay, generally we save work in computer to use it in future. Okay, so this is stars drawing. So now I want to save it in computer, but I told you that computer always saves its work in the form of files. In the form of files. So for this we have to create a file. Okay, so we have to give commands to the computer to save this file, to save this stars drawing. Okay, now see how to create a file. For this I'll go to the paint button. It is drawing program, so we have paint button here. In paint button there is save as option. This is save as command. I told you we have to give command for this. So I'm giving command save as. So now which box has appeared? Save as dialog box. Okay. Now here. Now computer is asking to create a file. So for creating a file, we have to give a file name. This is file name box. Okay. Now, by default, it is giving untitled. If you don't give any name, no, so computer will save it with the untitled name. So, but I don't want untitled. So press backspace key. Now it is removed. And write any name. So I am going to give my drawing name stars. S-T-A-R-S. Stars. See? Given. Now here, where do you want to save this drawing? On desktop. I want to save this file on desktop. Okay, this is desktop option. Clicked. And finally, save button. Click on save button. Now this drawing, stars 1, now is saved. In which file? Stars file. What is the name of my file? Is stars. You can see my file name now here. Stars. है ना? This way we create file. Understood? We have to give commands to save. Now see the file. I am going to minimize this program. Minimized. And now see where is the file? Here. Here it is. Stars. Isn't it? Stars file. Right? So when you do double click over this, see, file is open. And when you close it, it will be closed. This is star file. Paint program, stars file. This is painting file. What is its name? Painting. See? Right? This I have saved with the name painting. You can see painting. Painting name. Isn't it? So this way we save our work. Work, any type of work, means like drawing. Okay. Written some essay, any document. Okay. So can be saved. And computer always saves in the form of files and folders. Clear? So computer always asks you a name for the file. Okay. Name for the folder, name for the file. Okay. Now in your book, no, it is showing creating a file. So I have saved here stars file. Book is showing heart at page number 77. Okay. Now here page number 77 showing you number of icons of different files. Paint file I shown you just now. Okay. Image file. Okay, see, all these are different programs file. These are software ones. Microsoft software, Paint software. These are softwares. Okay. And these are files. Here it is, my presentation. These are files. Now here you see, not only files, I have some folders here. See, pics folder, pic2 folder, है ना? Here it is, screen recording folder in yellow color. You see, icon it is in yellow color, pic2. Okay, folder can save different files. You see. Click this. So these are different pictures. Okay. These are picture files. What are these? Picture files. Clear? So folder can save. This is folder. You see here? Pic2 folder. Okay. This Pic2 folder here it is. When I did double click here, no? So this Pic2 folder is now opened. Understood? This is folder and you can see number of pictures are here in this folder. So folder can store number of files and subfolders. Folder can store number of files and number of subfolders. Understood? So computer can store work only in files and folders. If you have to save a software, if you have to save a computer work, so for this you have to create file and folder. Now see, creating folder, this is also very easy. This is blank space of desktop. Do right click. Okay, when you do right click, no, here it shows you new option. See, new option, है ना? This menu has come with the right click. Okay, right click. See again, I am doing right click. Okay, now here you see new option. Many options are there. Among them, this is new option, and new options sub menu showing you folder at the top. Click on this. See, folder has come. This is folder. Now it is asking you to type name for the folder. By default, name is given new folder. Okay, but I don't want this. I'll give my own name. So press backspace key to remove this. Backspace key and then write name. ANUSUYA. Okay, this is my folder. I wrote my name here. Understood? This is folder. This way we create folder. Now do double click over this. So there is nothing in this folder. This is a new one, no? I have not saved anything in this. So this folder is empty. This folder is empty folder. Understood? Now click on close. So this way we create files and folders. Understood? Now this time I'm going to write in MS Word program. In MS Word we can type, we can do typing, no? Anything whichever you want we can do typing. I'm not writing anything meaningful here because typing note takes time. See, this text I typed here. Now I'm going to save this text in my Anusuya folder. Okay, see. For this I have to go to file tab, and here is the save as option. Click. Okay, now it asking you to write file name. Okay, so my file, F-I-L-E, my file. Okay, file name I wrote. Okay, what I'm doing now, I'm creating file now. What am I doing now? Creating a file in MS Word. My file. Now where you want to save? I have my folder on desktop now. So first I'll choose desktop. And now here I will choose my folder name. Anusuya, here this one. Okay. So choose this one. And finally click on save option. Click on save option. Done. Now this file of MS Word is saved in the desktop's Anusuya folder. Okay, this file which I created just now. You can see it. Minimize this one or you can close it also. Closed. Yes, save. Save, I have saved. Now I'm closing this one. Okay, see, this is Anusuya folder, and now in this folder there is a file. Okay, my file. When I do double click over this, so my file is opened. Understood? I got my file, isn't it? So this way we create folder and save our work in the folder. I hope you understood this. It is very simple. Okay, quite simple. Opening a file or folder, double click on the. Okay, now you see Page number 80, it is given topic opening a file or folder. So go to the computer icon. Have you seen the computer icon? Here. This is computer icon. Do double click here. Okay, computer icon is open. Now in this, you have to choose where is your file. My file, it is on the desktop. Okay, I saved my file on the desktop, you see. My stars file, if I want to open my star files, so this one, painting file, here it is, shapes file, here it is. Okay, and my Anusuya folder is also here. Here it is my Anusuya folder. Okay, so whichever file you want to open, for that you have to go to computer program icon. Okay, suppose I want to open stars file, so double click. Star is open. If I want to open my painting program file, so painting is open. And if I want to open my MS Word file, okay, here is my file. Oh, MS Word file. Understood? So this way we can open file and folders. Now I think you all understood about the files and folders. Okay, files and folders. Folders are just like a bag. Folders are just like a bag. You see here, this is folder, है ना? So in bag we keep files, है ना? So this is folder, and in this folder, see, so many files. So many files are here, isn't it? All these are picture files. All these are picture files. So files we store in a folder. That is why we say that folder is just like a bag, and files are just like notebook. Files are just like a notebook where we do our classwork or homework, and like drawing book where we do drawing, isn't it? I think you understood this chapter. Okay. And when do we create file? When we do work. When we do work. Okay. While working on computer, we create file. Just now I shown you. When your drawing is completed, okay, then we start making a file. Okay. So I hope you understood this chapter. I'll send you your homework, okay, your classwork. I'll send you through WhatsApp group, okay, and keep learning now. Don't waste your time, okay. Learn all question answers, okay. Take care of yourself, children. Bye.